Hello guys, guess what? We're going to a car wash today. This will be at Mission Valley Car Wash, and there's already a car inside. This looks very, very vintage. There is your menu. We're going to be getting the $8 car wash. For now, we're going to watch this guy, though. This will be an outside view. Look at these old traffic light signals. I'm gonna stop the video here so I can pay for the money machine, so I can pay for my car wash.